Yes, we have a 2001 Chevrolet pickup. Most Chevrolet and GMC pickups have this known problem. What we're doing right now is we're noticing that with the AC on and at 2000 RPMs, it starts making a rattling noise. It starts hissing and starts making a rattling noise. Okay, we're going to go ahead and test it and see if we can figure out what the problem is, okay? Remember, we have the AC on and we're going to raise it up to 2000 RPMs and see if we hear the noise. Okay, the noise is making like a rattling, hissing noise. When we don't hit 2000 RPM, it's just fine. But the minute we hit 2000 RPM, or if we're going down the road and as the gears are changing, it starts to make that noise because we're getting to the point where we're hitting the RPM range where it starts to act up. Okay, now we're going to turn off the AC. And we're going to repeat the same test and see if we get the same noise again. The noise doesn't appear to be there anymore. So that's telling us that the problem that we're having is related to the AC compressor. What's going to happen with this vehicle is the AC compressor is going to have to be replaced. It's putting a lot of stress on the tensioner, the AC tensioner, and also of course on the AC belt. We're going to go ahead and replace the AC compressor and the tensioner and the drive belt to be on the safe side, and that should fix this problem. Most GMCs and Chevrolets that have the engine 4.8 and the 5.3 have this problem. It's a very common problem. Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully here in the future we'll be able to give you some more information on diagnostic.